Hello and welcome to this webinar looking at IFRS 15 revenue from contracts with customers. My name is Claire Jones and I specialise in financial reporting, both IFRS and UK GAAP, and audit training. What we're going to be looking at today is understanding the 5-step model that is applied in IFRS 15 and making you aware of some of the challenges with application, and we'll use some examples for that as well. Now, IFRS 15 does provide some application guidance for us, which is useful. So we'll highlight some of those more topical ones that we see relevant for many industries. And then finally, we will look at the important presentation and disclosure requirements. We know IFRS can have extensive disclosures, but they are important to give that information to the user's understanding. Here is a recap on the 5-step model that shall be applied to all revenue contracts with customers. Step 1, identify the contract. Then step 2, how many performance obligations are there within that contract? Step 3, to determine the transaction price. Step 4, allocating the transaction price that we've determined in step 3 to those performance obligations that we've identified in step 2. Then finally, step 5, recognising revenue for those performance obligations that have been satisfied. This will either be at a point in time or over time. And it's important that we apply these 5 steps to all these revenue contracts. So let's have a look at these steps in a bit more detail and identify where those judgmental and challenging areas are.